In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Acuity Scheduling on Squarespace. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean, professional booking experience ready for clients, all managed from within your Squarespace site. We'll keep things simple and focused, and I'll share helpful tips along the way so you avoid common pitfalls. First, head to your Squarespace site. From your main dashboard, open the website you want to add scheduling to. Make sure you're working on the correct site if you manage more than one, and confirm you're logged into the correct account. This keeps everything connected under the right domain and settings. Next, find scheduling in your site's menu. Depending on your version of Squarespace, this may appear in the main navigation or under a dedicated section in your settings. Clicking Scheduling opens the integration for Acuity Scheduling, which is Squarespace's built-in booking system. If you already have an Acuity account, you'll be able to connect it here. If not, you'll be prompted to get started with a new setup. Either way, this route keeps your booking tools tightly integrated with your site's design and navigation. Now you'll be in Acuity Scheduling to set up your scheduling page. Start by checking your business details and time zone. Getting the time zone right is crucial, especially if you see clients in different regions. Then set your availability. Think about your real schedule, including breaks and buffer time between appointments, so you're never overbooked. Create your appointment types with clear names, durations, and, if applicable, prices. Short, specific names help clients choose quickly and reduce confusion. If you need to collect information before the appointment, add intake forms with just the essentials. Too many fields can cause drop-off, so keep it focused. If you take payments, connect a payment processor and decide whether to require payment or a deposit at booking. Turn on confirmations and reminders via email or text to reduce no-shows. You can also brand your scheduling page by adding your logo, colors, and a short welcome message so it feels consistent with your website. Before you share anything, preview the client experience. Go through the flow like a customer. Pick a service, choose a time, and review the confirmation. If possible, run a quick test booking and then cancel it to make sure notifications and policies look right. When everything looks good, save your changes. That's it. You've set up Acuity Scheduling on Squarespace, and your site is ready to take bookings with a smooth, professional flow.